Guys, we need we need to prepare. Why Apple? There is going to be a tornado in this area soon. Soon, it's going to be now. Whoa! Run! How do you expect us to run? In the tornado? Yes. Break the tornado's ankles. Yeah, sure, that's going to work. Anyways, I'm going to go talk to the tornado. Bro, are you dumb? You know the tornado is going to eat you. It doesn't eat anything. It just sucks. Yeah, it's going to suck you up. Hey, Mr. Tornado, can you stop? Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Ah! Oh, that was fun. Yeah. Bye. Nope, I can't walk. I can't walk. Go. Ah! So, what should we do? Go into a tornado intercept time. Like that one. In front of us the whole time, and we didn't see it. Where? Are you blind? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm sure that can fit three of us. There's only two seats. I will sacrifice myself. Oh, don't go down. I'll sacrifice my. I'll sacrifice. I'll sacrifice myself. Shit. I should. It's time to watch I should meet in the car. I'll sacrifice myself. Oh, you ain't the main character. Too much. Hey bro, can you watch I Don't Yet? Oh my, what happened to you? Upgrades to. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I know. Your love is round. Ano to, just pwede to far. Yeah, far. It is too big. Just like something. Wow, you betrayed me. Mayroon playground really betrayed me. I'll sacrifice myself no matter what. Oh, not working. It's not working. I'm stuck. 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 Bye. Stuck. Why so hard? Backflip. One was backflip. Ah! Set up. Oh, of course. I just, bro, this internship is actually very good. So the Wagyu is pipe. It isn't a pipe. Oh my. It's upgraded to a pipe. We are going to die if we go outside. Like, oh, you are a legend. Corn, please stop. I beg you. Please turn your head. All of my friends are dead. Yes, what about me? Please don't kill me. I am just a baby popcorn. Ah! No! Stop. Don't go. Oh, sorry. Guys, don't. Honestly, no. Gonna suck me in. Bad. Anyways, guys, bye.